Full version of home back meridian massage techniques. First, before massaging the back, let's relax our entire head. Push the gallbladder meridian on our head. Lift and pull the entire head. After relaxing the head, apply essential oil on the back and soothe the entire back. Press the shoulders and neck. Lift and pull the Feng Qi and Feng Fu acupoints. Step 1. Push the neck. Use both hands to perform a Z-shape alternating push, then knead both sides with finger knuckles. Lift the neck. Step 2. Lift and pull the Dasui acupoint area of the shoulders and neck. Push the trapezius muscles on the left and right sides with thumb pads. Clench fists and strengthen the push with finger knuckles. Step 3. Push the 3 lines of the entire back. The first line pushes our middle governing vessel down to our waist. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine. The second line pushes and kneads the bladder meridian on the left and right sides of the spine down to our waist. The third line pushes the scapula on the left and right sides of the back. Push the right side, then push the left side. After pushing the 3 lines of the back, then clench your fists and straight push the entire back. Step 4. Superimpose both hands and rub down the entire governing vessel to our waist. Soothe and relax the back muscles. Step 5. Push the dimeridian on both sides of the waist with finger knuckles. Step 6. Rub the Blieo area at the lower back until warm with clenched fists. Finally, soothe and relax the entire back muscles.